still drinking and they shouldn't be.
1 minute. The gentleman, Mr. I was told that they have enough time to finish a packet of pork scratchings.
No,
and that was on Told Telly.
Right, okay. I don't care what Told Telly said. The legislation is 10 o'clock, stop serving. By 10:30, everyone has to be out and everything should be closed.
We got here at 20.
What was it? 5 to 11.
You got here at
5 to 11. As if you're running an establishment, you should know them. You should know the regulations.
We don't like this legislation any more than you, but it is the legislation, and everybody is in this together trying to fight this virus.
You will all be acutely aware of government COVID legislation, correct? Is there anybody who's completely missed the virus over the last 6 months? No. I'm also very aware that the university has spoken to student representatives and made it very clear that the parties that have happened in the last 2 days are not to happen. Okay? Party is over. I'll be working tomorrow night as well. If there's another party tomorrow night, I'll be issuing a lot of fines. Understood? There's a lot of beer money lost. Hop inside, guys. I don't want to hear any more noise tonight. Off we go.
So you live in the city and county of Swansea, has entered Neath, Port Talbot. So why are you here today, man?
Just see my friends. They're all from around here, so.
Is it right that you've recently been to Turkey?
Yes.
Yeah. How long ago was it that you went?
4 months ago.
Are you aware that we're on a local lockdown at the moment?
No, I'm aware, yeah.
Okay. Obviously, because of that, you're going to be reported for the offence. The consideration of question prosecuting you for the offence of leaving a local health protection area during the coronavirus period. You don't have to say anything for me on the offence I want to mention now, something which later rely in court, and you do say maybe in evidence.
I didn't know about that. I thought because of my job description I was exempt from it. That's what it said on my track and form when I signed.
We've had enormous information that you've been on holiday recently to Egypt and haven't self-isolated since coming back.
Oh yeah, but we were told not to self-isolate.
By who? By who?
But everybody was on the plane.
It's not an excuse, unfortunately, and you know, going by someone and saying on a plane and it's difficult to find. It's down to yourselves, isn't it? At the end of the day, you're not adults, so.
Right, let's see what's going on then. Who's supposed to be staying here then?
Me and my brother.
You and your brother?
His friends.
So you, your brother and his friends?
Yeah, 2 times we've been quarantined together.
So they're supposed to be in quarantine? But you've just told me they've just gone out somewhere?
Well, I came with them because it'd be better for me.
What do you mean?
The coronavirus thing. Instead of just being stuck with my mum, not doing much.
But that's the thing, everyone's stuck with their mums not doing much, aren't they? And you've been here for a couple of days, and none of you are from the same household at all. Only you and your brother. We're going to have to fine you though, you know that?